This video will show you step by step how to do rollover by ShihTZU. Start by having your dog lay down position. Hold a tasty treat right in front of their nose. Gently move the treat towards the back of their head. As they follow, their head should start to turn, getting them into a cozy, sleeping position. Continue guiding the treat to the other side of their body, helping them roll all the way over. Practice this a few times. And as your dog gets the hang of it, start to speed up the process a bit. Once your dog associate the command with the action, try it using just the verbal command.